Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to read the data from a CSV file and insert into the request. In case of add contact, then first name, last name and company name I'll take from the CSV file and insert into the request. Also in the update contact, I'll get the updated company name from the CSV file. Also in case of verification, I'll get the first name and all the information from the CSV file. I have already created a test file with the information. The data is saved into a file inside my test data folder. As a best practice, I will keep all my test data inside the test data folder. You have to add the config element CSV dataset config. I usually keep it in the top. This is executed at the first, and select the file name, go to test data folder and select the file, open file encoding. You can leave it. Variable names, if you have defined the variable names, that means column headers in the test data file, that means first name, last name, company name, new company name. Here you don't have defined the variables here. If you define it here, the first row will be taken as a data row. And if your file is tab separated, use tab. Likewise, you can use, if you want to reuse the data at the end, continue to use, then you can use true. If you want to finish execution of the test plan at the end of the data, you can make it as false. So let's go to the contact. Here you can read $sign. Inside this, you give the name, Control C, and Control V. Similarly, inside the curly bracket, you get the last name and the company name. In the update, it will be first name, last name, and this time you give the new company name. Okay. Also, in the verification, in the JSON assertions, you can verify the variables. Instead of this hard-coded value, you can put this. Here also you can put now it's ready. What you have done, we have added the dataset config element and added the file test data file, and left the default configuration and use the variables here. to pick the data from CSV file. When the S is executed, the first row is picked by the first thread, and if you run 3 cycles, second row will be picked by the second cycle, and third will be picked by the third cycle. Also, there is a configuration where you can say the thread to file to be shared by all threads, so current thread group and current thread that can be defined. I keep it as all threads, so it will be shared by all the threads. Let's save and run and see. Once fine, data is created and it runs for 3 cycles. Let's see the first one. First record is added, and in case of the update contact, you can see new company name is there. The next one, new name is added, new contact is added, also the third one. If you continue run it for further, say 6, then the data will be reused. Control E, Control R. You can see that data is again reused. So with this one, we demonstrated how to use data from a CSV file inside your JMeter test plan. We will meet you with another video soon. Thanks for watching.